Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry for being MIA lately. I started a new full-time job back in September, which keeps me pretty busy these days. Without further ado, here's my next horoscope look inspired by the sign Virgo. As always, the products, the music, and my social media will be listed in the description. And with all of that said, let's get into the tutorial. As always, I was rocking a tube top. I saw a gorgeous lace collar on Pinterest which inspired the chest portion of this look. I used a nude eyeliner to map out the floral design on my chest. Then I went over the mapped out design with white water activated body paint. I used brown body paint to create a drop shadow beneath the white to push the illusion of it being lace sitting on top of my skin. I color corrected my under eyes, then applied foundation all over my face. I highlighted my face with a white foundation. Then I set my whole face with powder. To add some dimension and color back into my face, I slightly contoured my features. Then I used a very pearly highlighter to make my face really shine and glow. I wanted a very ethereal look. And I added some blush to my cheeks for a bit of a flushed look. I used my contour shade to lightly define my crease. I applied a shimmery lavender eyeshadow onto my eyelids. Then I used my contour shade to define my lower lash line. I filled in my brows with a reddish brown shadow so they'd match the wig. Then I used the lash glue to apply little pearls to my face and chest. Last, I applied a bit of clear lip gloss. Congratulations, you have made it to my end screen. Click that top link to check out the rest of my horoscope series, or click the bottom link to check out a video YouTube's robots think you'll like. And if you want to make sure you don't miss a single video from me in the future, click that little circle with my face in it to subscribe.